Can you count the ladybugs? Count them. One.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
Wow. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, love it, Froggy. Oh, there's only one. There they are.
This.
That's a frog. Where's the duck? You know where the duck is. Where's the duck? There he is. Where's the turtle? There he is. Where's the bee? The bee. Good girl. Where's the butterfly? The butterfly. Where's the butterfly? There he is. Good girl.
This.
What's that? That's a bird.
This.
Turtle.
This.
Fish. Duck.
This.
Fish.
Duck.
No, that's a fish.
Duck.
This is the duck.
Duck.
Fish.
Duck.
Fish.
Duck.
I know it's confusing. He's yellow, but that's a fish.
Duck.
What's this?
Duck.
What's this?
Duck. Duck.
Is this one a caterpillar?
Duck.
Yeah, that's a duck. What are you doing? You're being silly.
We're all dancing.
Are we table dancing? Bonk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Can you try again? You want to sing the ABCs again? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now Haley knows her ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay!
Duck.
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 Can you count the ducks?
Uh-oh.
Count the ducks. 1,
2.
2,
Up. Up. Down.
up and down.
Put down. Now it's up.
Let's try again.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7, 8, 9,
9,
10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now Haley knows her ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Yay!
Mama.
Water.